Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to import sound to Capcut. As you can see that I have imported my video to Capcut and we're going to import a sound to this video. So we can click on this audio option to import the sound. Then there will be several options for us and we can simply click on sound to import the sound. Then hold on guys, it's still loading. And if we want to import a sound from our device, we can click on this button right here and choose from device. Alright, and we can scroll our screen until we find the sound that we like, and we can click on this plus button to import the sound. Alright, and hold on. Okay guys, now the sound has been imported to our video, and if we want to edit the sound, we can simply click on this sound like this, and there will be several options for you and you can explore it by yourself. Alright guys, that's how we can import a sound to Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.